Hey guys, my name is Oswin. Today we're gonna be playing this game called Pixel something. I don't know, but it's a game on Steam that was free, so I decided to try it. Yeah, and as you can see, I'm back in the Boys and Girls Club setup. That's how I'm gonna be recording most of my videos. Look at that green screen, which will appear at different colors. And I have lights here because last time I noticed that when I was trying to record something that it was very dark. So I have these lights here, as you can see, very bright on the camera. Not that bright in real life, but yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. And I have the Yeti mic, not mine. Boys and Girls Club owns it. So yeah, for starters, I want to be saying thanks to the Boys and Girls Club team for helping make these videos. Kind of sponsored, not getting paid for anything. I just have to go here after school, but it's pretty fun here. If you have a Boys and Girls Club or this is called the Teen Center near your area, I decide that you go to it. It's pretty fun. But yeah, they have a sound studio in this place, and yeah, that's how I'm recording this thing, thanks to them. So yeah, people record different things here. There is a media room over there and a couple other things where I am in Illinois. So yeah, let's get started with this video, shall we? Freaking, yeah. Good enough. Well, it's too loud, man. Good enough. Make pew pew or funny stuff. Okay, I'm sorry I'm doing this. I'm just checking for us. Wait, this kind of copyright. Alright, I guess this is how we can have me play it. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, it's a zombie. Okay. Ah, no! So this game seems pretty fun for the start of it. If I shoot, is that like explosive stuff that's in? What if I Whoa, okay. Oh my god, he didn't die? Damn it, oh, you fell. Get in there. I don't know how to get in. No controls or nothing. Everything. Ooh. Cute. Anything? Oh. We'll get Old Man Magician. That's actually pretty fun. Oh no. Get out. Oh. Bump dump dump bump dump. Copyright music. I don't care. Crazy. Crazy baby. Crazy baby. Crazy. Beep 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 beep. PewDiePie is dead now. I guess it's a game by PewDiePie. I don't know what I am doing. Great PewDiePie baby. Don't go down. No. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh jeez. Barely making it here. Yeah. Oh, I escaped. I don't know what the freak I just did. This just turned into an ASMR video really fast. My bad, guys. I'm loving nothing. Okay. Yeah. What am I playing? My goodness gracious. Okay. Boy. Yo, that kid didn't know what happened. Why'd you study? Dumb. Oh, that was like my little brother when he first started riding his bike. Is that car? I hope that car's not broken. I don't care about that. Yep, that pant leg stuck on him. Breaks it. Dumb man. So dumb. That's too much tequila right there. Jesus, that horse has a temper. Oh, poor kitty. Let go, you dumb. I don't want no roast. Oh, that's gonna be cool. What? Oh. Wait. You don't see that every day. You don't see that every day. You'll see that sometimes. Dumb kid. For real.
Mount Carmel, 950.20. Second place, 35.
Ow. Wait, he broke both of those things.
Are you okay?
Wait, tell me, has that happened to anybody here? Like, has that happened to anyone? That's funny. Commercial break. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna say that's it for the video. It was pretty fun doing this. I just wanted to try out that game, and yeah. So I'm hoping that you guys have a good day, and yeah, see you guys.